Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel your JustFit subscription on your Android device. First of all, open Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and from the drop-down menu, select Payment and Subscription tab. Now, tap on Subscription to see all active subscriptions. Scroll through the list and select JustFit. Once you are on the JustFit subscription page, tap Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. After confirming, you will receive a notification stating your subscription is cancelled and you will still have access until the end of the current billing period. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your JustFit subscription on Android. Thanks for watching.